Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for a traditional, old-fashioned way to make pourable pancakes in a skillet in a professional and successful way? Then you're in the right video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a traditional, time-honored recipe from Serbian cuisine for making this light and delicious dish, a favorite among both kids and adults. The ingredients are very simple and can be found in every household. So stay with me to learn how to prepare and serve them. Let's start. Add 1 egg to a mixing bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of baker's yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Using a hand whisk, mix the ingredients lightly. Next, pour in 400 milliliters of warm milk. Mix well for about 1 minute until the yeast dissolves completely. Now, add 225 grams of all-purpose wheat flour. Stir again until all the ingredients are well combined. Cover the bowl and let the batter rest and rise for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the batter has risen and is ready, give it a gentle stir. Add 2 grated apples and mix again. Now heat cooking oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, reduce the heat to low, then start adding the batter to the skillet using a spoon. Let the pancakes cook until golden brown on one side. When the bottom is golden, flip them over and let the other side cook until golden as well. Once they're done, remove the pancakes from the skillet and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess moisture or oil. This helps keep them from becoming soggy. Avoid stacking the pancakes on top of each other. Continue in the same way until you've used up all the batter. Here's how they look, crispy and incredibly tasty. Arrange them nicely on a serving plate, sprinkled with cinnamon. Then decorate with sugar, preferably powdered sugar as it works best. Serve and enjoy. Don't forget to support me by leaving a kind comment, just like your lovely presence here. Thank you for watching this video. To all the viewers of Kitchen Delights, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And to new viewers, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And of course, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.